Today, we talk about...
Welcome back, bruh. I got it.
All right, so now let's dive in. So I kind of had to rearrange the columns, so we're going to put a few of those I left aside to that corner. We'll get to them at the end because they are very special to me, but let's keep it moving. So next, swoosh box, as you can see, with the size tag, Blazer mid. Hate to do it, but Bop had to do it to him. Now, I still stand my ground by saying that the All Hallows Eve trumps this as far as like an overall shoe, but that's how good this shoe is that I had to get both colorways. You know, if I get multiple colorways of a silhouette, that it's over. That is a winner shoe. Just everything about this I love over the OG. The oversized white contrasting swoosh. And I know Virgil has said he absolutely loves black shoes with a white swoosh and white laces, and this does come with white laces. If I recall correctly, yep, I definitely do. But honestly, I've seen pictures of them with the white laces, and I don't like it as much as this look right here. Oh my God, dude. This is like the perfect year-round shoe, let alone like Halloween, October time. The Grim Reaper, this is sex right here. This is the perfect shoe year-round. I'm like, this is like a very wearable shoe throughout the year, and that's why I had to get it. I'm like, bruh, the 10 is over. We got to get it. So I just got it. So yeah, very excited to have these, even though I really hate adding unnecessary shoes, if that makes sense, but it is what it is. Now, for those that probably know where this is going, Kobe box, Kobe logo, Bop had to do it to him. So, the Protro Kobe 1, the first ever signature shoe of Kobe with Nike after he left Adidas and went through his free agency phase with Reebok and Converse even and all this other ish. And one as well. Is that carbon fiber? That's really hard. No, that's definitely carbon fiber. There you go. So, and then this was the very same colorway he wore when he broke that, well, he didn't break a record, but 81 points, second greatest scoring performance of all time. In my opinion, the single greatest scoring performance of all time, because Wilt was fed the ball. He was like 7 foot when everyone else was like tiny white dudes. Competition was very different. Yeah, this is phenomenal. And no one's even come close to that ever since. So definitely got to give it to the shoe. The leather details on here are pretty crazy, my guy. I mean, this is dope. And they never released this colorway with the OG Kobe GRs and even the special limited releases, Hyper Strikes and whatnot. This was never included in that. This was like a promotional pair in his size. I believe there's like one other raffle, but I could swear that they were never provided in normal sizes. Well, I shouldn't say normal, but like, you know, regular sizes. And so I believe this is the first time we've had a chance to cop. And Kobe has been quoted as saying he's not a huge fan of retroing his line, and that's why he's never really had a true retro, kind of like LeBron has had. These are more, you know, updated for current performance, so that they're still performance models, but with those same silhouettes. So I can compromise on that at the very least if the outer part of the shoe looks completely the same. Unlike, you know, other Nike models where they do like an ultra version or like a takedown version or like a Flyknit version. It's like, nah, bro, give me the OG. And this may be as close as we ever get to that. And if not, even if they do end up bringing back the shoe in OG form at some point, it definitely won't be anytime soon. So for now, we'll settle for that. Know what I'm saying? All right, so let's keep it moving. I'm just gonna put that there. Now, let's move on to the next column. More off-whites. Air Force One Low, in my opinion, the best colorway of all the Air Force One Lows as part of the 10. So there you go, the inside out box, pop, pop. Hey, wow, these are, Jesus Christ, way brighter in person. Holy crapola. Yeah, these are, wow. Okay, let's take a look at these. Would you look at it? I mean, I'm not even looking at this through the camera lens because this is just way too beautiful in person. Holy shit, dude. Wow. This is nuts. I'm so glad I went with this colorway. This is by far, yeah, the best. The best colorway. A little bit of schmutz there. See the traditional off-white ish written in. This one's a little faded, which is interesting. Got a little nice detail of, whoops, already ruining the shoe. Nice little detail of, what do you call it? Mesh with the cross weave ish here, more mesh here with the leather components. Dude, this is just And it's cool that they transitioned from red to blue, I guess, in the later iterations. A little orange tabby there, the bop of orange here. Went a half size down to these, like a traditional Air Force Ones fit. You get the nice little suede felt detail there with the Volt laces. Nothing's gonna be changing about that. This is just, dude, this with black sweatpants. Holy crap. I am curious now, what other laces did come with this? Oh yeah, you get the black rope laces. These will not fly, in my opinion, with this shoe. Nope. Yeah, pretty good on that, bruh. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. Let's go to the 700. The 700. So we're gonna keep it static in here. I've been waiting on these for a hot minute. When they announced way back when, like back in the summertime, that they were gonna release the static pack with the 350s and the 750 V2s, I knew for sure I was getting this. I was not so sure about those the static 350 V2s. I was like, dude, I've had enough of the V2s. But then realizing how much had changed from the silhouette, had to do it for historic purposes. But this one being the first ever colorway of the V2 of the 700, which everyone at this point agrees was a slam dunk release. Probably the flagship model of the dad shoe era, this being the second version and the first colorway of it. Plenty of 3M airwear, take my word for it, / look at other reviewers, obviously. Kept the same base, it seems, same outsole, which was always very interesting to me, very Wave-esque, am I right? But then updating the upper with this more of a ode to the 3 stripes there. A little bit different materials here, some fancy mesh detailing here. And yeah, overall can't wait to rock with these. Why is this up? It survived. Let's see. Maybe they're still closed. Yeah. Ah, damn it. Come on. Come on, Lee. Bop. All right. So let's see that side. Oh, yeah, baby. Russell Westbrook's logo. Why not? Bop. Bop. Woo! OG colorway of Russ's second signature shoe with Jordan. Very minimalistic Jordan branding. There it is right there. I don't know why this camera's struggling today to focus. This is crazy. But yeah, this is just an insane colorway, man. And this colorway is perfect for Russell Westbrook, obviously, because just the bops of all types of rainbow-ish is just perfectly suited to his personality and his personal style. Could totally see him rocking this off the court as well. It was cute seeing his kid in this ish. And then a nice little interesting detail where they put the size tag on the bottom of the shoe instead of on the inside. A bunch of zeros, which is his jersey number for the attraction pattern. And then whatever this yellow torsion unit is, I suppose. There's his logo again. What does it say on the inside? Anything? Nope, just bright red, my favorite color. I love this little double sock action going on here. That's kind of cool, I guess, for good lock-in, since it is technically a performance model, but I will be purely using it. Ah, my God, not for that. But the other detail is the Westbrook family crest in there. And I forget the details of what each ish stands for, but trust me on it. I'm sure others have spoken on it as well. Dude, this is insane how little this camera's focusing, but anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, really excited for these. Woo! All right, bop. All right, let's keep that aside. Oh boy. Oh boy. All right, hold on to your butts. Or actually, why don't we save this one for the next episode? This one's a little special. Let's go right to the swoosh. Oh, this one's a big boy. Let's put it down here. Swoosh, bop. The reason for such a big box is because it's a big shoe. Woo-hoo. So, black and white laces. White laces. Actually, what's the difference? These are like more ropey, I guess. If you motherfucker would focus. Ropey. Meanwhile, this is more like, I guess, a traditional lace with green on it. What does this have on it? What does this have on the laces? It doesn't show. Yeah. That's weird. It's just white tip. So I may actually switch these out because it's nice to have the extra detail of the bop of green coupled with the bop of orange. So So these are mildly used, but obviously I was gonna use them anyway, so they'll probably start deteriorating, especially this back part clearly showing its off-whitedness, with the sole also being a little bit more milky. But cool little contrast. This model didn't receive a lot of hype, still hasn't. It's got the added, what do you call it? Sock dart, the Nike sock dart component added here with the Hyperdunk base, obviously. Very cool. Definitely wasn't one of the more popular models, but I figured if I'm going to be completing the set, gotta get them all. Gotta catch them all off-white. Yeah, so there you go. The Hyperdunk. Bop. Seems like a very unnecessarily large box, but it is what it is, I guess. I'm just going to leave that there, but yeah.
There's the episode. See you next time. Peace.